Hello, friends. MNC welcomes you in its program on general science. These questions are important for UPSC, JPSC, BPSC, SSC, CGL, JSSC, BSSC, RRB, NTPC, Delhi Police Constable, IBPS, any state PCS exams. Today, we are going to see 40 multiple choice questions on science, and in science these questions are related to biology, and in biology we will have questions on branches of botany. Botany is a branch of biology, and then further categorization of botany we will have questions on that. Medium of instructions will be English only. First question for today is scientist who is known as father of botany. Options are Aristotle, Darwin, Theophrastus, Linnaeus. The correct option is Theophrastus. Next question is who is known as the father of biology? Options are Aristotle, Darwin, Lamarck, Purkinje. Correct option is Aristotle. Next question is the term biology was first coined by Aristotle, Darwin, Lamarck and Treviranus. Correct option is Lamarck and Treviranus. Fourth question is who is known as the father of zoology? Options are Aristotle, Darwin, Lamarck, Theophrastus. Correct option is Aristotle. Fifth question is who is known as the father of medicine? Options are Aristotle, Hippocrates, Edward Jenner, Theophrastus. Correct option is Hippocrates. Sixth question is in exobiology we study about external structure of living being, life present on the earth, life present in the outer layer of earth atmosphere, life found in space and on other satellites. The correct option for this is D, life found in space and on other satellites. Seventh question is phycology is the branch of botany in which we study about algae, fungi, ecology, virus. The correct option is algae. Eighth question is oath taken by medical graduates is given by Aristotle, Theophrastus, Hippocrates, Darwin. The correct option is Hippocrates. Ninth question is mycology is the branch of botany in which we study about algae, fungi, bacteria, virus. Correct option is fungi. 10th question is agroastrology is the study of seed of oil, crop, grass, fruits. The correct option for this question is C, grass. 11th question is in pedology we study about soil, disease, pollution, rockets. Correct option is A, soil. 12th question is study of fruit is called spermology, anthology, pedology, pomology. The correct option for this question is D, pomology. 13th question is spermology is the study of A, seed, B, leaf, C, fruit, D, pollen grain. Correct option for this is A. Seed. 14th question is branch of agriculture concerned with the production of crops. Options are A. Agrotology, B. Agronomy, C. Agrohistology, D. Anthropology. The correct option for this is agronomy. 15th question is study of effect of light on various biological life process is called photobiology, photobiology, photometry, photoagronomy. The correct option is B. Photobiology. 16th question is branch of biology which deals with study of heredity and variation. Options are A. Histology, B. Cytology, C. Genetics, D. Evolution. Correct option is C. Genetics. 17th question is branch of biology which deals with the study of identification, nomenclature and classification of organism is. Options are A. Exobiology, B. Ecology, C. Taxonomy, D. Toxicology. Correct option for this is taxonomy. 18th question is study of process of aging is called. Options are gynecology, gerontology, ontogeny, cytology. The correct option for this question is B. Gerontology. 19th question is study of growing plants without soil in water containing nutrients is called hydroponics, hydroponics, hypotonics, histology. The correct answer is B. Hydroponics. 20th question is estimation of age of woody plant by counting annual ring is known as dendrology, dendrochronology, demography, agronomy. The correct option for this question is B. Dendrochronology. 21st question is botany is also known as phytology, phycology, pedology, plantophyta. The correct answer for this is A. Phytology. 22nd question is branch of biology in which we study about cultivation of flowering plants. Options are A. Phenology, B. Floriculture, C. Agronomy, D. Agrohistology. Correct option for this is B. Floriculture. 23rd question is study of flower is called anthology, agrohistology, phenology, palynology. The correct option for this is A. Anthology. 24th, the term biology is derived from. Options are A. French, B. English, C. Portugali, D. Greek. Correct option for this is D. Greek. 25th question is paleobotany is the branch of botany in which we study about. Options are A. Animal fossils, B. Plant fossils, C. Seed of plant, D. Flower. There is a mistake there. It's D. Flower. Correct option is B. Plant fossils. 26th question is branch of biology in which we study about relationship between living and their environment. physiology, ecology, geography, geology. Correct option is B, ecology. 27th question is, the book Historia Plantarum is written by Theophrastus, Aristotle, Hippocrates, Darwin. And the correct option is A, Theophrastus. 28th question is, silviculture is the branch of botany in which we study about. Options are A, culture of algae, B, development of forest, C, culture of fungi, D, Silsifida plant. Correct option is B, development of forest. 29th question is, distribution of plant on various parts of earth is called biogeography, zoogeography, phytogeography, geography. Its correct option is phytogeography. 30th question is, study of pollen grain is called pomology, palynology, phycology, mycology. It's B, palynology. 31 question is, agroforestry is growing tree for forest, growing tree after cutting crop, growing of tree with cultivation of crop in the same field. None of the above. Correct option is C, growing of tree with cultivation of crop in the same field. The 32nd question is, study of internal structure of plant is called morphology, anatomy, ecology, taxonomy. Correct option is anatomy. 33rd question is, study of external structure and their form is called morphology, anatomy, ecology, taxonomy. The correct option is A, morphology. 34th question is, macroscopic organism which passively float on the surface of water is called phytoplankton, zooplankton, A and B both, none of the above. The correct option is C, A and B both. 35th question is, Aristotle is not known as A, father of biology, father of zoology, father of embryology, father of botany. The correct option is father of botany. 36th question is, who is known as father of taxonomy? Engler, Aristotle, Linnaeus, Theophrastus. It is C, Linnaeus. 37th question is, binomial nomenclature was introduced by Huxley, Aristotle, Carolus, Linnaeus, John Roy. Its correct answer is C, Carolus Linnaeus. 38th question is, cultivation of ornamental shrubs plant is also known as agronomy, arboriculture, olariculture, silviculture. The correct option is arboriculture. 39th question is, the science related with the study of living. It's very simple. Physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology. And the correct option will be D, biology. 40th question and the last for this session is, Physical basis of life is cytoplasm, nucleoplasm, protoplasm, haloplasm. And the correct option for this is protoplasm. I hope you have enjoyed these questions. These questions are very much important questions. Thank you very much for coming to this end point of this session. Thanks a lot. Thanks for being with us.